probably over $100,000 on you. Good morning. Are you Ephraim Dinkin?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is cause number 19-32080. And Mr. Dinkin was previously in court, entered pleas of true, and a motion to adjudicate pled true to counts 1 through 5. And the agreement was for a cap of 10 years. I've received the updated report from probation. Have you both had an opportunity to review that report?
Yeah,
They have to.
Any additions or corrections? All
No, not from the state.
right, then you may proceed, Mr. Lewis.
Judge, as far as this situation, Mr. Dinkin, with Mr. Dinkins, we know it's a big ask. He is asking that the court consider keeping him on probation, maybe amending his conditions.
Well, first of all, I can't continue him
Okay,
because his probation expired in 2024. So the only option would be to revoke him, sentence him to time on a straight probation. That's the only option other than regular terms.
well, let me rephrase that, Judge.
Okay.
We understand that, okay, even if he is the conviction, he does take the conviction and he goes to a straight probation. What Mr. Dinkins is asking for is the opportunity to get the help through probation that's available to him. He know he is messed up, and there's times that he hasn't in the past taken taking those opportunities that was available to him. He's more than willing to try to do that for us, the anger management and the things of that nature. He's trying to better himself. He's a lot older now, to where he can kind of really realize where he is in life and what he wants to do with himself going forward. He knows that probation can help him. He understands that if given that opportunity, it will probably be only one opportunity, and it'd be a zero tolerance type situation. And that's what he's asking for, Judge.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Lewis. Mr. Smith?
Judge, I would disagree. I think revocation, he had a chance at probation. He absconded. He did nothing. We have no idea what he had been doing for that time. And so I feel like PDC time is appropriate in this case. He was given a chance by his own choices. He believed that.
So, Mr. Dinkin, Mr. Smith went a little light on the chances that you've been given. Because when you were placed on probation back in 2019, started off decent, and then it looks like in 2022, and you were 39 years old in 2019, so it's not like you were young and you've learned something and, you were a kid when this started. You started testing positive for cocaine back in 2022. You were referred to the ATAR substance abuse program, did not comply with all of those directions. So you were given help. Then another administrative hearing was had September of 2022. You tested positive again for cocaine. Even though you had previously been given that opportunity to go through the ATAR program, you had made no effort to enroll in it. So number one, there aren't any other things to do. You will have had everything we have to offer at that point. If I send you to safety, we will have spent probably over $100,000 on you individually for this help. Do you understand the opportunity? And I don't want you to go take this bed from someone else and not take advantage of it, because that's what you've done so far. I got a memo, I'm sure, that said to send you to ISF, which I did. And you went through both tracks of ISF, the cognitive and the substance abuse track. And the end of 2022, you got out 2023. You started testing positive for alcohol within a month of getting out of ISF. And you were then referred to the DROP program to help you, even though you had just gotten out of ISF, and you never showed up, and you've been gone ever since. So I don't know what other options or things we could do for you. You've been given every opportunity to have whatever treatment you need to be able to stay out, take care of your family, as you say. But that's not what you've been doing. So, I mean, you've been gone since 2023. Anyway, I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true to counts 1 through 5 freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon to a family member. Sentence you to a term of 8 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. There will be an affirmative finding of a deadly weapon. I'm going to hand you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. I also handed you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a
is Galleon Golden. All right, ma'am, it looks like you're here.
Your Honor, is there any way I can bring something to your attention without interrupting you? And I'm very sorry. My name is not Galen, and they got me under my brother's name. So I'm in here under his name. So how do I get out?
Well, let's go through the questions I need to ask.
Okay.
So how about we start with the things I have to do, which is first tell you what you're here for. You're
Yes,
here
ma'am.
on 2 KPSs for case number 2025 CF 9001 and the 2 charges associated with that, and case number 2025 CF 9000.
I don't know what that is.
2 charges associated with that. Would you like for me to appoint the public defender to represent you in these cases?
I guess so, but I don't understand how I'm in here under his name.
Well, we're not here on a trial or an evidentiary hearing for me to...
I'm Galena, though. I'm not Galen. I'm Galena.
Well, ma'am, I hear what you're saying, but you heard what I've got to go through and what I need to do in this case. And so as I sit here right now, I don't know if they have you under the right name or not. I have to assume that they have you under the right name.
No, they don't. The lady even said they didn't at bookend.
Okay, ma'am, I don't think you're listening to what I'm saying.
Okay.
I understand you think you shouldn't be here. I hear
Yes,
it
ma'am.
loud and clear, all right? As we sit here today, I don't have any mechanism to talk to the police officer to find out if if what you're saying is true or not. Represented by the public defender's office on one case. Ma'am?
Okay, yes.
We're going to answer my questions, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Charge.
I don't have any burglary.
Ma'am,
I never burglarized the home.
ma'am,
What, am I in here under all my brothers and sisters' names, though? Because this ain't making sense. It says Galen Janine on this ID. I'm Galena.
all right, ma'am. I'm trying
Well, how do I have 4 charges? How do I have 4 charges?
Ma'am, I can't get a word out because you keep interrupting
I don't
me.
understand it.
All right. You're willing to set at $10,000 and the PD will assist you.
I don't understand it, though. What is she
Ma'am,
saying?
moving on.
I don't understand it.
All right, we're going on to Catherine Quinn.